Hey, what is up, guys? It's me, Jai Prasad again. So today I'll be showing you how to fix how to get custom recovery on your Lenovo tab2 A720F. So this is 100% safe process, guys. Before all of that, don't just forget to subscribe my channel and just click the notification bell for more. To install custom recovery in your Lenovo Tab 2 A720, first download the files given in the description and ensure that you have above 40% of battery. Now follow the same instruction as mine to get rid of boot loop after installing this recovery. So it's my Lenovo Tab, it doesn't have a custom recovery. Let me just take off its back cover. I'd be having a better view next video because I'm just going to make my channel professional. Now you can see these circuits. Now just disconnect this thing, just pull off, and just that's it. If you have any camera problem, just take this out and reinsert this thing. Okay, guys, it's been 5 seconds. Now let's put it back and put the back cover in. Guys, this file would be in the description. TWRP recovery 2.8.7.0. Now just click download it in your computer and open it. Now you can see these files. This is CMD and this is TWRP. Now let's go to the SB flash tool. Hey, sorry. SB flash tool. Just click on scanner loading and select the empty Android scanner in TWRP recovery folder. Now just click on open and just select only recovery. Just select recovery only, and here this should be download only. Now just select download. Now this thing should be near you. Just insert this thing and ensure that your tab is off. Now just connect this thing to this. Sorry guys, that was a fail. Now let's insert this thing. What? Yeah guys, finally it worked. And that's it. Now just click on cancel this, and now you're ready to go. Now let's check out the tab. Oh my goodness, it's so tight. And that's it. We have successfully installed Recovery TWRP recovery in your Lenovo Tab 2 A720. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more.